Kinaumagahan, maagang nag-ensayo ang mga kandidata para sa kanilang talent portion.
Feel your love. I just wanna feel your love.
Habang nag-aalmusal,
I don't know how can you handle this.
Are you ready?
Yeah! We're ready!
No, our first finalist
It's me! Maria! Woo!
Nakikita ko po talaga na sobrang palaban sila, kuya. So, it's kind of hard.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank my mom and my dad and my sister and everyone who supported me. Talagang dapat I'll give my 100%. At improve ko yung mga weaknesses ko sa final na po talaga. Especially young.
samantala isang bisita ang inimbitahan ni Kuya para turuan ng housemates sa kanilang actual pageant, ang stage director na si Miss Joanne Laigo.
Magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw din, Kuya.
Salamat at pinaunlakan mo ang aking imbitasyon, Johan.
You're very welcome anytime. Pipilitin ko po na maging maganda at maging tunay na talagang mukhang beauty queens or beauty candidates yung mga PBB teens. Hi! Hello! Hi, kids! I'm Joanne Laigo. I have been doing pageants for more than 20 years. I'm the official choreographer and stage director for Binibining Pilipinas. Okay, I will be doing the pageant with you guys. I take this very seriously. Pag tinuro ko sa inyo, you just follow. Okay, so let's start na. Okay, yung tayo, hindi nakaslouch. Look tall. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Mambo! 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8.
Ilang sandali pa at dumiretso na ang mga kandidata sa activity area.
Going that way, I'm just going to start.
5, 6, 7, enter please. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Proud of the girls.
Yeah, proud.
Because that is hard.
Yeah, they improved a lot since from the first day. I promise it's not easy because I tried to walk in that hills to walk.
Our knees were bent.
Sa akin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kaya ako nag-enjoy kasi nakita ko naman yung effort na they're really listening to me. And for me, that's enough. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili ng children. Okay, tomorrow is the day. So, put everything here and definitely you have to put it here. Congratulations, ha?
Alam ko, malaki ang pasasalamat ng mga housemates ko na naturuan ko sila. At maraming salamat, Johan.
Thanks, Kuya.